Why hello there, welcome back to the drug vlog with a vlog. Alright, marijuana smoothie time. You're here because you want to do an edible, but your jaw's wired shut, right? Maybe you're tempted to throw the weed directly into the blender. But hey, you have to cook it first. And to do that, I'm using my classic firecracker recipe. Take your weed off the stems, turn your oven up to 250 degrees or so, maybe 200 if you have a strong oven. After you preheated it, put it in. And 20 minutes, that's the time that you're gonna wait. Dude. This guy indicates the passage of time. Okay, take them out. Turn the oven up to 300, 325, somewhere in there. Butter them with your crackers, some peanut butter on, and weed, and any kind of cracker will do. Mix it together so it looks all cool. Put them in the foil and wrap it up real tight because you don't want air going in. Put it on a disgusting tray like this or a regular tray. 25 minutes is your new time. Why is it getting closer? No, what's happening? No! Oh, this guy again. I think time travel messes up your hair a little more than that. After 25 minutes, turn it off. You can leave them in there or you can take them out right away. I usually leave them in and let it cool down. When it's done, you have your firecracker. All right, we're ready for the marijuana smoothie. It's basically just a smoothie at this point, but now you have your marijuana firecrackers. You may be tempted to just throw the whole thing in there. I wouldn't do that because you probably made it, if you made it as strong as mine, it's gonna be too strong. So I'm just gonna break off what I would normally eat. And you don't have to put the cracker in if you don't want to eat cracker, but if it's a smoothie, it'll dissolve it. You can just scrape off the peanut butter if you want. Other ingredients, you've probably made a smoothie before, but I'm gonna have a banana for sweetness. I guess I'll add some green juice, make it a little healthy. Almond milk stuff or more liquid. I actually haven't made a smoothie in years, so I don't know what I'm doing, but this will work because you have the marijuana in there. And then I like peanut butter, so I'm gonna add some peanut butter. Cool sound. How much peanut butter? I'm gonna go for 2. Whoa. Whoa. I should zoom in on the peanut butter as it's dripping. Whoa. No, you don't need to hold it. Whoa. 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 Okay. Yogurt, which is just plain yogurt. How much yogurt? I guess that's enough. All right, when you're ready to blend, make it smooth. I guess that's enough. All right, so here we go. Ready to drink it. I'll tell you how it tastes, and then maybe in a while I'll show you how it felt. Very good. Excellent. The thing about a smoothie is you can take your time with it and like go to a movie theater, go to work, and sip it throughout the day, and nobody will know. Nobody will be the wiser. Bottoms up. Very good flavor, good mix. Bottoms up part 2.